Oh, wow. Wow. This one is really bright. They are all bright. Wow. But you can still see them invisible light. And we're gonna fix that. This one is really super bright. You can't really see it on the video, but in real life it's really bright. It's really super bright. But they're all bright. These three here, very bright. Okay, so we're gonna make this invisible now. How we do it? Pretty interesting. You can still see it a little bit. You can still see it a bit. This one, I like this one. The problem here is that you can still see them in visible light, so we're gonna fix that. We're gonna make this invisible. Let's do it.